Hey guys, we're in Tampa, Florida here, and we are working on a decomposition where an elderly man passed away, and they initially hired another company. I'm not going to name the company, so don't ask. And they didn't do a very thorough job. So the blood sat there, and it literally went through a hairline crack in the concrete and dripped down to the first floor. We're on the second floor right now. Dripped down into the first floor. Luckily, it was a maintenance room and not a customer or a tenant or a homeowner or anything like that. So let me show you what we're dealing with. We've got a big crew here because we are in franchise training. So let me show you what we're dealing with here.
Is it coming down the pipeline or the crack in the end of the pipeline?
That's not what we want. Tell them to stay there.
Stay there.
So we're testing the hairline crack right now and the pipe to see where it's coming down. The pipe's not it. Okay. Say hi, everybody.
Woo! Hello.
Got a lot of people here.
Caterpillar, baby.
So we're going to determine where it's coming down, and actually I'm going to go downstairs and show you where it's coming down. And the smell is pretty bad, but let me show you what it looks like here. So this is common issue. If you don't get it all, it will travel. Liquid takes the path of least resistance, so it's going to find somewhere to go. All right, so here we go down here.
Right here, this pipeline comes right down right here.
Okay, so that's not it. So you see the blood on the floor here. Yeah. All right, so it's a fact-finding mission. We're going to flush water in 2 possible areas and see where it is, and then we're going to seal it up. So wish us luck.